Why is no one clicking on my skincare ads? Honestly, your hook is horrible. That's the main reason no one is clicking on your ads. What? In this episode, I will share the exact concept we use for our 7-figure clients that will definitely blow up your clicks in the same amount of ad budget. Yes, I am talking about hook, story and no-brainer offer. Let's start with hook. It would be best to grab customers' attention with a solid reason to engage with your content. Just like, are you tired of those boring skincare TV commercials lying to you to treat your acne but end up in cold water? Then we come with the story. As I always say, story always sells. So the same concept we used over here. Just like, treating acne can be expensive when you add up the cost of prescriptions, topical creams, and professional treatments. Make your followers understand that why they should listen to you. Then no-brainer offer. Give your customers a no-brainer offer that they cannot refuse. Just like, finally the hunt is over. We stand by our award-winning vitamin C serum so much that it can treat your acne deeply within just few weeks. We will refund you if you don't like it. Finally, our hook, story and no-brainer offer is ready here. Also, let me know in the comment section that which thing you like the most. And please follow me for more advanced skincare and e-commerce marketing tips. And I will gonna catch you in the next video.